Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Google Ads with Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Today we're going to look at how to set up Google Ads with Shopify step by step so you can start running ads and getting traffic to your online store. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Before diving into Google Ads, make sure your store is fully ready for promotion. That means your products should already be listed, pricing must be accurate, and branding such as your store's logo, theme, and description should be properly set. Over here, from the left-hand sidebar in Shopify, click on Apps. Then click on Shopify App Store to access the app marketplace. In the search bar, type Google and YouTube, which is the official integration created by Shopify in partnership with Google. Once you find the Google and YouTube app, click on it and then select Add App. You'll be redirected back to Shopify to confirm installation. Click Install App to proceed. Once the app is installed, open it directly from your Apps section. Now, the app will ask you to connect your Google account. Make sure to use the Gmail account you want tied to your Google Ads. Sign in and allow the permissions it asks for so the app can manage your campaigns, link data, and sync your product feed. After that, you'll be prompted to link your Google Merchant Center account. If you already have one, simply sign in and connect it. If not, the app can help you automatically create one based on your store details. It will also verify your website domain and link it with Google so products sync correctly. Make sure to accept Google's Merchant Center terms and policies before continuing. Now it's time to sync your products. Over here, the app will pull all your products from Shopify and push them to your Google Merchant Center. This includes titles, images, prices, descriptions, and availability status. It's important to make sure your products follow Google's guidelines like using clear, non-blurry images, accurate titles, and legal product types. Any non-compliant products will get disapproved and won't show up in your ads. Then, the app will ask you to link a Google Ads account. If you already have one, just select it from the drop-down. If not, click the option to create a new Google Ads account. It's simple and doesn't take long. After linking it, your Google Ads account will be connected to both your Merchant Center and your Shopify store, allowing for seamless ad management. Next, you'll be guided through the process of setting up your first smart shopping campaign. Over here, you'll choose your target country. This is where your ads will appear. Then, you'll enter your daily budget. Start with a budget you're comfortable with like $5 to $10 per day and scale up over time based on results. Then pick a campaign goal like sales, conversions, or website traffic. Google's smart shopping campaigns are automated and use machine learning to optimize your ad placement across Google Search, the display network, YouTube, and Gmail. The system automatically creates different ad formats using your product data, so you don't need to write any ad copy or design banners. Over time, Google will learn which combinations perform best and adjust accordingly. Once everything is filled in, submit your campaign for review. Google will begin reviewing your store, your product data, and your ad settings to ensure compliance. This process can take 3 to 5 business days, so don't worry if you don't see your ads right away. Just wait for the email notification confirming approval. After approval, your ads will go live and begin appearing across Google's ad networks. To track performance, open the Google and YouTube app in Shopify and check metrics like impressions, clicks, cost, and conversions. You can also log into your Google Ads dashboard directly for deeper reporting such as demographic performance, location data, and device insights. As your campaigns run, don't forget to monitor your product feed health in the Google Merchant Center. If products go out of stock or prices change, you'll need to make sure everything stays updated to avoid disapprovals. With this integration, you can continue to build your customer base and drive more sales with minimal effort. If needed, Shopify also provides insights in the marketing tab to guide you on optimizing your campaigns. And that wraps it up. So that's basically how you can set up Google Ads with Shopify. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.